In this video, you'll learn how to delete a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you scheduled the meeting yourself or you just don't need it anymore, removing it properly helps keep your calendar clean and avoids confusion for anyone who was invited. First, let's clear up one important detail. Even though the meeting happens in Google Meet, you don't actually delete it directly from the Meet page in most cases. Instead, you manage it from Google Calendar because that's where the meeting is scheduled and where the invitations are controlled. Think of Google Meet as the place where the call happens and Google Calendar as the place where the meeting is organized. Start by opening Google Meet in your browser or app. On the main screen, you'll usually see a list of your upcoming meetings. This is a helpful way to quickly check which meeting you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm the title, date, and time of the meeting you plan to delete so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. Once you know which meeting you're targeting, open Google Calendar. You can do this by going to the Google Apps menu and selecting Calendar, or by typing the calendar web address directly in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that owns or was invited to the meeting. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one because meetings are tied to a specific account. In Google Calendar, locate the meeting you want to delete. You can do this in a few ways. The simplest is to navigate to the correct date and look for the event that has the Google Meet icon or the same title you saw in Google Meet. You can switch between day, week, or month view depending on what makes it easier to spot the event. If you have a busy calendar, using the search bar at the top and typing part of the meeting title can help you find it quickly. Once you've found the meeting on your calendar, click on it to open its details. A small pop-up or side panel will appear, showing the event information, including the Google Meet link. Here you'll see options to edit, join, or remove the event. Look for the option labeled Delete or the trash can icon. Click that to start the deletion process. After you click Delete, Google Calendar will usually ask you to confirm the action. This is an important safeguard, especially if other people were invited. Depending on the type of event, you might also see an option to send a cancellation email to guests. Confirm that you want to delete the meeting. If prompted, choose whether to notify guests so they know the meeting has been cancelled and won't try to join at the scheduled time. Once you confirm, the meeting will be removed from your Google Calendar and it will no longer appear as an upcoming meeting in Google Meet for you or your guests. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or app. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Meet to identify the event, using Google Calendar to find that meeting, clicking delete and confirming the action, you can quickly and cleanly remove any Google Meet session you no longer need.